Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on marking messages as unread on Messenger. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Messenger and hold down on the chat that you would like to mark as unread. Tap Mark as Unread from the options that appear. That chat will now show as being unread. If you open the chat, it will show as being read again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.